We open new museums to learn an English teacher. Today, inshallah, we are going to study about Jolly Phonics. Jolly Phonics, okay? Hello, everyone. Hello, my guests. Today, inshallah, we are going to study more about Jolly Phonics. Okay, follow me. Yes. What is Jolly Phonics? Okay, Jolly Phonics is to help the students concentrate on sounds better than letters. For example, you can say W letter, but we say we sound, we sound. Okay. Now you learn that there are 42 sounds in English, but there are 26 letters in English. There are also 7 groups to learn English sounds. Follow me to learn more about each group. First, we want to pronounce this word or this sound. You should follow me and say with me what is this sound. Please say and repeat this sound. Okay. First sound we are going to say second. Uh, third. Yes. 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 Mm, yes, yes. Mm, okay. Again. The sound you can say to me. Eh, eh, da, da, eh, 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 da, da, da. Mm, mm, mm. This is the group one. What about the group two? Yes, follow me. Group two, say with me these sounds. Simply, eh, 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 mm, 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 mm. Okay, again, group two, eh, 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 yeah, yeah, mm, mm, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, thank you. Follow me, group three. Okay? Hmm. Good, good, good. Oh, oh, ah, 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 wah, wah, eh, 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 eh. Okay? Again, group three. Good, good, good. Ah, 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 ah. Eh, eh, eh. Thank you, thank you. Come with me to group four. Yes, these are difficult sounds. Ah, 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 yeah, yeah, mm, mm, ah, ah, ah. Again, group four. Ah, 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 yeah, 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 yeah. Ah, ah, yeah, 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 yeah. Mm, mm, ah, ah. Okay, thank you. Follow me with the group five. Okay? Mm, 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 mm. Oh, oh, oh. Again, for group five. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, thank you for telling me and saying group five. Follow me for group six. Group six. Yes. Listen to this sound. A, A, E, S, 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 S. Again. E, 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 S, S, Sh, Sh, Sh. Yes. Again. E, S, S, S. Yes. Again, thank you for group seven. Okay. Again. E, E, E. Oh, 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 mm, mm, ah, 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 ah. Again, mm, 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 ah, ah, I, mm, 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 ah, ah, ah. Yes. Next video, inshallah, we are going to give you a word for each sound. Each sound should say a word and more than one word. Then another time you can say a song and tell a story about each group. Okay? Thank you very much for listening to me and goodbye.